Welcome to Tucson, Arizona. We're here in our service facility. You can see the Challengers and Globals right behind me. What's particular with Tucson is that we offer tip-to-tail capability, maintenance, interior refurbishments, paint, all of it is available here on site.
Here in Tucson, we are what we consider a one-stop shop. Not only can the customers come here to have any level of their routine scheduled maintenance done, but we can also do paint, interior refurbishments, modifications. They're all done here in-house. We have a long-standing, proud history built on the legacy that started back here in 1976. And we still actually have team members that are here currently today that started back in 1976. And so we continue to carry on that legacy. You know, our customers have to have certain scheduled maintenance done on their aircraft. Those are things that have to be done. What they choose to have done is what we offer here in Tucson, right? That is our refurbishment, the modification capabilities, the paint. This is what the principal comes in, and this is what they enjoy. They take for granted the airplane flies correctly and is second to none in the industry. But what they enjoy is what they sit and experience for 12 hours in a given flight. And so that's what makes it a difference. So coming to Tucson, they can get everything done right here at the facility. You know, our clients, they are at the top of their game. They expect the very best. They deserve the very best. And we have developed a reputation and a legacy here that they will receive that very best here. You know, I started here with Bombardier back in 1999, and coming here to Bombardier was an absolute thrill to me. When I saw my first Global Express, it opened up my eyes to a whole new world of aviation, and I've been hooked ever since.